Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to change the message background in Messenger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Messenger application if you've not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, search for the Messenger application and download it. So once you've downloaded, open it up and logged into your Facebook account. Now we can get started. We are going to go and be opening one of the chats that we have. You're going to go and be greeted by the main page where you can access all the chats that you have. I have opened up a chat right here, and now let's say that I want to change the message background. So how can I do that? Well, it's very easy guys, and we only need 2 clicks, and what we're going to do is going to go and click the name of the chat at the top of the screen. So you can click the name of the person right here at the top of the screen. That's going to enable you to open up this menu of options we can access, and one of those first options, as you can see, is called theme. We want to open up theme. By clicking on theme guys, this is now going to enable us to select what kind of background we want for our messages. As you can see, we have multiple options right here. Let's say I want to select this one. It's going to give us a preview of how it looks. So let's go ahead and click select. As you can see, now we have applied that theme right here, and as you can see, once we go back, this is our new theme that we can now use as the background for our messages. So as you can see, you can apply any theme that you wish. If you want to remove it, just go back to the theme section right here and click the remove button, and you can go and select any other one that you want to use. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care and bye.